What's up, dear? What are you doing? All right. What is today? Day 92. Still in Jersey. Rolling hill country. I think we're in Sussex County. There's a trash truck back there. There's cars. We're kind of rolling between neighborhoods today. It's pretty. It's a pretty area. The mosquitoes are intense today. When we got out of our tents this morning, they were just all out there waiting for us. And then I've sprayed myself down with some bug spray. Hey there, little buddy. Black snakes are harmless. Crossing a river. Alright, let's go.
I don't like this.
Just come on. Just walk on this side of the...
I don't like this at all. 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 I don't like this at all.
And you're still alive. We're just about to climb this mountain, which is awesome because the mosquitoes are destroying all of us down here. I don't know if, let's see, there's Nibbles, and then we have some other company behind us. It's Buttshot, Meep, and Fumbles along. All good people. It's crazy because New Jersey puts you through like 20 miles of bottomland, and it's pretty, but just today we really started getting nailed by the insects. Anyway, I'm glad to do this climb. It's 900 feet, and there's probably going to be mosquitoes at the top as well. Boring. New York. New Jersey.
It's New York.
New York. Everyone take their pictures.
these mosquitoes.
There you go.
Cool. Alright, I'll see you.
See you, man. Well, between the humidity today, I mean, let's see if you can see my shirt. It's just soaked. I mean, it's wet out. Everything's soaked. Between the humidity and the mosquitoes and like the condensation, like it rained. I mean, everything's wet. Like the rocks are all wet. My feet are all wet. My clothes. It's just a wet day. It rained this morning. It hasn't rained this afternoon. It should rain. Looks like, from looking at the weather, it looks like it's going to rain in the next hour. And then again in like another 2 hours or hour and a half. It might be a really good downpour around then. It's been a challenging day though. We're going 23, I think, today. That's what we're shooting for. And at this point, I think we've got about 8 miles left, and it's also 3:30 in the afternoon. So we'll be getting into camp around maybe 7 o'clock, maybe earlier. It just depends. We just got into New York, and there was always rumor that New York was really, like, there were some little technical climbs and stuff like that you have to do. And right off the top, we had to do like a pretty, like, especially because it's wet, we had to go down a rock face that was super sketchy. Like, get killed if you lose your grip sketchy. Or at least break a leg. So, anyway, I'm going to put this away because I've been slipping a lot. Got our trekking poles out because we've had to do some rock crawling over some super slick rock. Not this. We've been on like some big boulders, like huge boulders that are steep and super slippery. Huh.